A firefighter is an everyday hero dedicated to safeguarding lives and property. Helicopters can be fitted with tanks or buckets to deliver water and fire retardant to the fire line. Large, heavy-lift helicopters can fill their water tanks with a snorkel that siphons water from lakes, rivers, or other sources. Helicopters also deliver firefighting crews called helitack crews to fires for initial attack. Some helitack crews are trained to rappel from helicopters to fires in remote locations. All Forest Service helicopter operations follow Federal Aviation Administration and interagency standards, policies, and safety procedures.